Do you want to know what next in markets? And also, do you want information about my 3-day residential program on financial markets and how to register for the same? Hi, I am CA Rudramurthy, author, trader and trainer, welcomes you to this very special video, and I want you to watch this video till the end because you are there with a big gift and a surprise. Now first let us see why today SGX Nifty is up 200 points and it is showing an opening at 17,750, and we will also see what next in market. Yesterday, the most important data which the whole world was waiting for was the US CPI inflation number. Expectation was the number will come somewhere at around 8.7%, but the real number, actual figure came just at 8.5%, which was way below expectation. In fact, crude oil prices and gasoline prices have come down on an average last month, that is for July, to the extent of 15 to 20%, which has caused inflation number to come down. Yes, in America, last month the inflation number was 9.1%, whereas this month, because of energy prices cooling down, people were anticipating an inflation number of around 8.7%, but actual number came much below at just 8.5%, and moreover, core inflation, that is inflation excluding energy as well as food prices, that was expected to go up, and people were expecting core inflation to be somewhere at around 6.1%, but the actual data came only at 5.9%. This reduction in inflation than the estimate and compared to last month gave this big rally in market, and because of this lower inflation, people are now anticipating that the Central Bank of America, Federal Reserve, may not hike the interest rates in a big way and for a long period of time. This was very positive for equity market all over the world. And if you see yesterday, yes, US market Dow Jones index was up a whopping 535 points, and if you see Nasdaq, it was up over 350 points. Just in one single day, the rise, the gain was 3% on an average. And if you see our Indian market today at the open, it is indicating a 200-point gap up, and Nifty is opening at around 17,750. Yes, from 15,200 levels just a month back, now Nifty is at 17,750. It is a 2,550-point move in just 1 month. And let me tell you, if you watch my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy, where I give live market update from 15,350 to 15,400, I am shouting the market has made a bottom and market will now rally from there. And from those levels, we are up 2,550 points just in less than 1 month. Now, let us take the latest tweet which I wrote 2 days back. And 2 days back, if you go back to my Twitter handle, it is still there. And my handle is I am Rudramurthy on Twitter. I tweeted saying, I have cut all my short position. Profit booking already I have done. And again I feel the bull market roar will start. I also wrote, the bull is marching further up and PSU banks will lead the next bull charge. And this tweet is still there on my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy. And if you see what happened from there, just in 3 days, Nifty, which was at 17,400 3 days back, that is on Monday when I wrote this tweet, now from 17,400, market is today opening at 17,750. This is a rally of 350 point in 3 days. That too we had an holiday on Tuesday. So just for 2 trading days, Nifty is giving you a gain of 350 point. This is not ifs and buts. It was a clear buy call and market will march up. This is the call which I told you on Monday on Twitter. And now let me tell you, even if you would have bought just one lot of Nifty in futures, Nifty futures to buy one lot requires a margin of about 1,07,000 rupees. So approximately, even just for an average investment of 1 lakh, how much money you would have made in just last 3 days is, now Nifty is 17,750 today. It is a 350 point up move on one lot of Nifty, which is 50 quantity, which requires a capital of around 1 lakh approximately. You would have gained today 350 points into 50 quantity, that is 17,500 rupees profit per lot. So one lot requires an investment of about 1,07,000, and if you would have just carried the position for 3 days, you would have just made a profit of 17,500 rupees for an investment of about 1,07,000. Calculate the return in percentage. It is over 15% for 3 days. And let me tell you, if you would have bought call option on this bullish view which I gave you 3 days back on Monday on my Twitter handle, you would have made a return of over 100% through buying either an at the money option or an in the money option. Even if you would have bought an out of the money call option, you would have made a return of over 100% in 3 days. Now the big question is, all this proof are in front of you. How did I predict it 3 days back that market will move up and this will be a bull run to continue, and I was so clear and precise? That is the $1 million question now on how it was told just 3 days back. The answer is what I want to reveal to you. This is where understanding price action trading is very, very important. Understanding the technical analysis part of market is very important, and also understanding how the fundamental data will affect the short-term price move. This is where the learning is so important, and I always say you just have a simple choice, either learn or burn. Now you can make the choice whether you want to learn and make tons of money, or you want to burn and be at the same place where you are. And now let me tell you, all this and even more is possible only if you have the right attitude to learn, because to earn, first you have to learn. I know return of over 15% for 3 days sounds very big, and this is not Excel return, this is live return available to you with my Twitter handle and the tweet what I have done, and today you see what has already happened. But I want you to learn how to have this kind of market prediction, which requires deeper market learning. And this is where now I will tell you, after understanding the US CPI inflation data, expectation, actual, how I predicted, now you have an option to learn rather than burning. Let me tell you now the details of 3-day residential program which I promised you. I will tell you at the end of the video. Now people ask me the next question, what next in market? I feel metals and specifically banks will still outperform. However, as a short-term trader, you have to understand buying now does not offer a good risk reward. So you have to learn not just market analysis, also crucial things like risk management, position sizing, risk reward. They are all very, very important, along with technical analysis and market secrets and strategies what you use to predict using the charts, or I can say technical analysis. Now let me provide you the 3-day residential program detail. This is a program on financial market. Date is August 18th, 19th and August 20th. So in this 3-day program, now the people ask me, where is the venue? The venue is Gokulam Grand Resort, Kumarakom, Kottayam. And all details are there in the description with a clear brochure but I'm just helping you out to understand more. Now people ask me this question, what will I cover in this 3-day residential program? I'm clearly giving this information. I will be talking about a topic called wealth creation through equities. And in this topic, wealth creation through equities, I will discuss many interesting areas like why people lose money in market and what are the wrong things they do and what you should not do to ensure you don't lose but you start gaining in market. I will also tell you how to build a profitable equity portfolio through investment. Do remember, long-term wealth is created only through investing. However, short-term trading gains or second source of income for short term you can do through trading. So I'll be even teaching you secrets of trading successfully to create a second source of income. I'll also tell you how one can create massive wealth of at least 100 crores in one's lifetime. Yes, I'm not telling any joke, but the reality of how to create at least 100 crore in one's lifetime. I'll also tell you how one can profitably, successfully invest and trade in equity market. All these topics is what I will cover, and not just me as a speaker in this 3-day residential program on financial market. You have many more eminent speakers. Let me introduce some of them. CA Dr. Girish Ahuja will be talking on topic called direct taxes and capital market. And let me tell you, any query you have on taxation part of stock market or to be in general capital market related all tax issues, he is the Bhishma Pita of Indian taxation. And let me tell you, when I did my chartered accountancy course CA, I studied his textbooks on income tax and his books on direct tax, which helped me to clear taxation. Today it is my proud moment to tell I'm sharing dayas with my teacher and who is India's #1 tax expert, who is coming for the program, and you have a great chance to listen to him and learn all the taxation aspect relating to capital market. And let me tell you, you also have another eminent speaker who is Vice President of Inspection Department of National Stock Exchange, and she is Miss Renu Bandari. Madam will be talking about various compliance issues in capital market, which is very important to people who invest and trade in stock market. So all compliance issues Renu Bandari will be covering, Vice President, Inspection Department of National Stock Exchange. You also have another eminent speaker, CA Palguna Kumar, and he will be talking about how one can look at taxation aspect of trust and charitable organization with specific reference and financial perspective to it, which is very important to people who want to create other entities and who wants to know its impact on how capital market versus the taxation part of trust and charitable organization play a role. Now let me tell you, along with Rudramurthy, along with Girish Ahuja, along with people like Renu Bandari and Palguna Kumar, the icing on the cake is all these people are netted together, brought together by CA Anuj Goyal. He is the chairman of Committee of Financial Market and Investor Protection, and I can just tell him he is my elder brother and the most energetic, I repeat, the most energetic leader like the Lord Krishna, and a big-hearted person who wants to give financial literacy and financial freedom to Indians. That is the clear mission what he has, and I am joining hands with Anuj Goyal and the entire team to ensure the right financial literacy is given to people like you. And let me tell you, you can even network in this program with fellow participants who are mostly chartered accountants. businessmen, professionals, and many more experienced people from financial market, and you have an opportunity to interact even one-on-one with them because it's a 3-day residential program. Now let me tell you, spend also this 3 days of wonderful time on your fun learning and also with your family together. You know why? That family bondage will also grow and your family will be happy along with you and they can even participate in the program. You have special discount if you come with your spouse, your children, and let me tell you, all the details are there below in the description. In the browser, you have full information about the program which is given in the description below. And let me tell you, this is also a spiritual retreat for people who love to visit Shabarimala. And also let me tell you, if you don't like Shabarimala to visit, you have an alternative where you have a cruise in the night and you can enjoy your evening that day. Also, you have visit to Jatayu and 3 full days stay in a superb resort, wonderful environment and climate around you, food, stay and accommodation, all the support to ensure you have the best environment for the best learning. And let me tell you, environment is stronger than your willpower, and for this best learning, best environment is a must, which is provided to you here in the 3-day residential program. And let me tell you, please don't ask me the question, what is the price or what is that I have to pay. Simply just say, at any price, at any place and at any time, I am ready to be part of this program because I want to change my financial destiny and I want to be part of this program come what may. If that is your commitment, I'm sure what is the fees, what is the time, what is the place, all this are just excuse. And if you are disciplined and committed, you are ready for any price, any place, any date, because your commitment is to see a change in your financial destiny. And if you want that, you can't miss this program. And let me tell you, I promise you, forget the return of that over 15% in 3 days, which was freely given through a Twitter message to all those who participate in this program. You have so much to take for lifetime learning and you can't miss. And an investment amount of small for this program is just 18,000 rupees. And if you come with your spouse and children, for them, the price is much below. Imagine a 3-day residential program in a grand resort and you are getting it with all this learning for 18,000 rupee. It is just not possible even in dreams. And let me tell you, this is happening because of one simple reason. This program is completely taken care under the Committee on Financial Market and Investor Protection. So this Committee of Financial Market and Investor Protection, Chairman Anuj Goyal, with a dream to give the required financial literacy to all, he is helping out to all you guys to just get this program at even below the cost of just staying 3 days in this kind of a residential program and in a grand resort, which is very important for the right environment to learn. And let me tell you, without fail, this program cannot happen at this low price and this quality of speakers all put together unless the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in general and specifically the Kottayam branch of ICAI, headed by the most dynamic and the most humble leader CA Sabu Thomas and his entire team of people who come under the leadership of CA Sabu Thomas. And let me tell you, he has been so kind to talk to me regularly and he has ensured the whole program happens in the best possible manner with tons of value for your investment. And don't miss this multi-bagger pick of being part of this 3-day residential retreat. And let me tell you, seats are very limited and in a day or two it will all be over. They have to book your seats because 3 days you have to stay. They have to make arrangements for the trip to Shabarimala or trip to even Jatayu or the cruise what you want to enjoy night. All this they want to do it in advance to you. So you have to book your seats today, right now, and as early as possible before it is over. And if you have any more queries, there is a resource person Manjith. His number, phone number I have given in the description. Talk to Manjith for your registration. And now I can only say one thing to you. Don't look at price, don't look at date, don't look at time, don't look at it is not in your place but it is at Kottayam. When a speaker like Rudra is ready to travel from Bangalore to Kottayam, it is only because I have that one objective to change your financial destiny towards good and make you financially free, because money is the answer for all your problems and challenges, and your success will talk and answer all the critics around you. I'm sure you don't want to miss this lifetime opportunity what you have. Register right now and the choice is simple: learn or burn. Make the right choice and be part of this fabulous program on August 18th, 19th and 20th without any reasons whatsoever, with 100% commitment. Be part of this program and achieve your financial freedom at the earliest. Go to description right now, click the link below, do the registration, and let me see you all on August 18, 19, 20 on this fabulous program. See you all. Register soon before the seats are over. Thank you for watching, and the big gift to you is, because you have been there till this end, you have one-to-one contact even off the stage with Rudra in this residential program. And let me tell you, one or two stock tips, one or two answers to your specific questions can just ensure all your investment is absolutely free, and you have the chance to be one-on-one with Rudra before program, after program, and being in this residential retreat. I'm sure you can't miss this very special offer. Register right now. See you all on August 18, 19, 20. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful, profitable trading day. See you all. Bye-bye.